Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla o Conrad ke sangma. Ulaong bayamenta kalong ka Kham ya ka sarkar Jylla ban Pynhiar dor ya ka Khajna Halor ka petrol bat diesel. Henry na kalyang ka sarkar Jylla kan saya kren habayaday bat kani kamat bat ka sarkar pedeng. Ulaong baka Khajna Halor ka petrol bat diesel kadai ka Kham red bha Meghalaya ladaya nujor bat kiway pat ki Jylla. Kumta ulaong bawat lakata ka sarkar Jylla kandang pet beniak biang ya kani namar hakasian ba pendunaya ka Khajna Halor ka petrol ba diesel ka Jylla kaladu kumba saus pak klur tingka kumban penken mau ka Khajna ba o da ka sarkar Meghalaya habiyaday bat ka petrol kalong 4% kat baya ka diesel kalong 4%.
As I had mentioned earlier that the petrol tax in Meghalaya is the lowest in the country today. After we have reduced the taxes percentage, our revenue compared to last year, which was plus 500 plus 550 crores plus, is today at 400 crores. So after we reduced the taxes last time because of the pressure that was on public, the state government has lost over 100 crores in our revenue. So therefore, it's not a very simple decision for us to take right now. Keeping in mind that number one, we are the lowest in the country, even today. There are in the states that are charging up to 36% also. So we are much lesser than that. And number two, as I said, keeping in mind that the large number of expenditures that we have to incur, all these factors are making it quite difficult for us to find a way forward. But we are still examining and seeing how we could move forward in this. We have also decided that we will move with Government of India and request Government of India also if they could reduce the excise and the taxes overall in the nation, keeping in mind the high rates right now. So on that angle also we are exploring the possibility of approaching Government of India in that aspect. So therefore, as of now, it will be very difficult for us to move forward, simply as I said, keeping in mind the fact that already we are the lowest in the country and already we have been hit by 100 crores in this financial year.